Oh no, it is a beautiful, hot summer day, but your delicious ice cream is melting. It is slipping right through your fingers and turning into a sticky mess on the ground. I'm Professor Molecule. Have you ever wondered why your ice cream starts out so hard and crunchy, but suddenly turns into a squishy puddle? To find out, we have to look at the big secret of how our universe is put together. Absolutely everything you can touch, see, or taste is built out of millions of tiny, invisible building blocks called molecules. When we learn how these tiny blocks behave, we can understand exactly how all the stuff around us manages to change its shape. Look around your kitchen. You'll see sturdy wooden tables and freezing cold ice cubes. We call these solids. If we could zoom in and look at the molecules inside that ice cube, they would look like this. In a solid, these blocks act like best friends. They shiver in the cold, holding hands tightly. Because they refuse to let go, they stay locked into place. None can wander off. This is why solids keep their shape. Whether it is a hard bar of soap or a plastic toy, the molecules inside are held together in a giant, unbreakable hug. Now watch what happens when we leave our ice cube out on a warm kitchen counter. After a few minutes, that hard block softens and turns into a messy puddle of water. That puddle is a liquid. You see liquids every day, like fruit juice in a glass or warm bathwater filling your tub. As the air in the kitchen gets warmer, the building blocks heat up and loosen their grip. They begin to glide past one another. Because they are relaxed and moving smoothly, the liquid can flow freely. It will perfectly match the shape of whatever cup or bowl it is poured into. Liquids don't have a rigid shape of their own because their molecules have trained a tight hug for a smooth, continuous sliding dance. But what if things get really hot? On the stove, the fire is boiling the water, causing it to bubble violently and release thick clouds of steam into the air. You see this steam when a thick, warm fog covers your bathroom mirror during a hot shower. The warmth from the stove pours massive amounts of power into these building blocks. They get so energized that they go completely crazy, strap on tiny jetpacks, and fly apart. These super-powered blocks refuse to stay together. They bounce off the walls and try to escape, taking up as much room as they can possibly find. This is a gas. Gases fill an entire room because their building blocks have way too much energy to stay in one place. Think about the journey of our water. It started as a tightly bonded, shivering ice cube in the freezer. Then it became the relaxed, flowing liquid puddle on the warm counter. Finally, it became the chaotic, flying steam rising from the hot stove. Every state we've seen, the ice, the water, and the steam, is made of the exact same building blocks. They simply perform three completely different levels of movement. Now it's your turn. Get up on your feet and use your own body to show me what you've learned. First, freeze in place and give yourself a very tight hug. You are a rigid solid. Now, loosen up and do a smooth, wavy dance. You are a flowing liquid. Finally, run safely around the room and take up as much space as you can. You are a zooming gas. The secret to everything you touch is just a tiny dance happening inside. See you next time.